Good afternoon, Nitin Gadkari ji. Welcome, sir.
Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Thank you.
I request all members to kindly switch off their videos and mute their mic, please. Sir, on behalf of IT Board of Directors and members, I am pleased to welcome Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, Honorable Minister for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, for sparing time to share his thoughts with the Indian amusement industry today. Sir, thank you so much. And sir, Indian Association Amusement Park and Industry is an apex body and representing the interest of amusement parks, theme parks, water parks, and indoor amusement centers in India, and consists of park operators and equipment manufacturers from the private sectors, including small and medium enterprises, sir. Sir, IP want to congratulate you on the changing the definition of MSME, and and in long run it will definitely give benefits to MSME. Sir, we thank you for taking that decision and would request you to kindly highlight on the definition in your address, and our industry members are keen to know it. Sir, on behalf of this amusement industry, we just don't want to take more of the time. So just few points I just want to raise is our problems in industry is coming up. That wave of GST till March 2021 can be provided to MSME industry, because already our season for April, May, and June, and we are working for 3 months, and we are dependent on the last 18 months. So already we have lost that season, and hardly we can get some time. So we request you if you can just waive off GST till March 2021. Another point I just want to raise is the electricity, panchayati tax, lease rent can be waived off for the lockdown period, and that is the main point. Easy loan approval by banks for MSME registered members, sir, because already your schemes are coming, but frankly speaking, on that platform, it is very difficult to get the loans, and you are working to give the benefit to the industry, but it is hardly reaching to the end people, also our members of. If you come easy to the MSME industries people, because it's very good, and then again they demand for the collateral security also. Sir, Honorable Mr. Sir, due to COVID-19 and post-pandemic, the industry project revenue lost approximately 1,100 crore to our industry, and it will take around 10 to 12 months for part to get back to normalcy. Sir, that will be very big problem at the moment. So, because of which, dependent on and indirectly around 3 lakh people are dependent on our industry. So that is again that our Indian tourism industry. So that I want to highlight. And second thing, that sir, we are ready with SOP.
नेटवर्क थोड़ा कमजोर है
on 8th of June. Your ministry, they have done that, they allowed many industry at the moment, and it is our humble request to you also, sir, if you can allow us to open the parks on 8th June, we can submit our SOP to you, and that is a request from all the members, sir. Because you can see the saloons are opened, and malls, they are allowed to open it, temples, they are allowed to open. In our industry, we can maintain all sanitization system better way, social distance we can maintain. So that is a humble request, sir, if you can see to open our parks on 8th of June, sir. Up to you, sir, Mr. Gadkari ji.
All dear friends, actually, Association of Amusement Parks and Industries is one of the very important industry in the world. But Indian scenario, we need to develop more innovations using more scientific methods for development of this industry in the country. Now we are making lot of new roads. We are making the road of Char Dham Road for connecting Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri and Yamunotri. And that will be the all-season road. Somewhere we need adventure sports. Somewhere where we can plan for making sports on ice. Just like Oli in Uttarakhand. We can develop the international destiny for all these things. Even for the small area, we need to develop amusement park, outdoor and indoor, and where I need to feel that it is the time for country that you need to expand your vision. I visited in Switzerland in one place. They just developed. The cost of that all material was very less, but that adventure sports, the way in which they plan, it was a mind blown idea, and I feel that the whole innovations and technology which are available in the world, if you can take it on BOT basis, on PPP model, it is economically viable. Because in the tourism, 49% of the capital investment is going to the creation of employment potential. Somewhere my suggestion is if you can make it amusement park, you can also make some food stall, restaurants there with your own things, making the scooter and car parking system, cleanness, and by which you can get more revenue. Now, this is the time I feel that as the definition of MSME is now changed. First of all, in the MSME, the manufacturing sector and service sector was independent. But now we merge both the sector, manufacturing and service. For micro, the previous limit was 25 lakh for investment in plant and machinery and equipment. Now for micro, it coming to 1 crore. And so 1 crore, this micro investment and turnover up to 5 crore. You can start small parks, adventure sports near the tourist destination. Particularly, you can plan in a way and you can get good business for that. For small, the investment was 5 crore. Now we convert into it for 10 crore, and turnover was 2 crore to 50 crore now. And for medium, actually the investment was 10 crore and turnover of rupees 5 crore. Now we change it. It is investment up to 50 crore and turnover up to 250 crores. And export turnover is excluded from this. You can get the advantage of MSME. But what my feeling is, you need to make the research and study on world level, which type of parts, which type of technology, which type of equipment, how they manufacture, how we can launch a new innovative models in it. And the most important thing is, my suggestion is, you go for PPP model. Suppose for ropeway, cable car and funicular railway, when I was the water resources minister, I have already signed the agreement with Doppelmayr, the Austrian company, who has got 65% of their share of ropeway, cable car, funicular railway in the world. Now they are with the WAPCOS. So in Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Kashmir, we have huge potential. Even we can take a simple system from taking one mountain to another mountain, just going by that ropeway, that rope system. The people can go and it can be really not a big capital cost. So my suggestion is to make it and make a small restaurant there, parking place there, cleanness, gardening. Even it can attract the people. So you get the revenue from restaurants, from food malls. And also you can sell jerseys, bunions, keychains. They're branding them, and you can get good thing there. Tourists are now interested. Tourism has got important potential. Even in Northeast also there is a huge potential. The natural mountains and everything in a way that really it is got a lot of strength as far as our tourism concept is concerned. You have already given me, I don't know, but presently in MSME ministry, uh, for easy loan approval, you we will definitely support you for that, because now it is the time that we need to accelerate the wheel of our economy, and without that we cannot create more employment potential. I will request you to think this is the opportunity for making joint venture, technologically joint venture, and even you can get some foreign investment in your business. Both things are available. I feel that we are ready to support you. Regarding this GST, if it is, we can make it for a industry, one industry, then other industry will also demand. I feel it very difficult, but we have given a lot of concessions regarding payment of GST. Also for the bank loan, there is a deferred payment. On account those are in NPA, we are now making provision of 20,000 crore, by which it can be possible for you to restructure your account. So regarding this industry status, you come to me by including all these things, where water sports, we have got tremendous potential. We have lakes available in different part of the country, dams, so we can take the advantage of it. The boating, the different type of new innovations are there. I feel that you need to have a joint venture, technologically joint venture, with the good technology in the world and manufacturing here. It is definitely encourage you for getting more exports, and also in Indian potential there is a huge potential. So I feel that this is the important industry. I receive your all representation, your problems, and 100% from Ministry of MSME want to support you, and problems which you are given to me, I am sending to my office. I will work on it. When the problems which are related with my ministry, I will try to resolve your issue. And whether I need to take it this issue to finance ministry, I will talk with them. So, but my personal gut feeling is this industry need upgradation of technology. This industry need innovative ideas for water transport, for amusement parks, outdoor, indoor, different type of new innovations which are available in the whole world, where I feel that it is time for us to accept it. And I am also ready to give you land near to national highway. We are making now these roadside amenities. 60 acres land is there. Somewhere if you want to make some amusement small park, some type of some outdoor something which you have to plan that people can visit there on the traffic density high on which road, where you can make it. So we are ready for that. You can think about it and give me the proposal. We will also share land for that purpose, and other thing you have to develop. I feel that it's a huge potential for this industry in India. I don't know what the reason is, but still there is a huge potential by industry people and by ministry people. We will find out what are our weaknesses, and we will strengthen our strength, and we will support you, because this industry is going to create more employment potential, particularly hill area, tribal area, rural area, where we need this. And you can plan an integrated model from getting your income from parking, from washrooms, from restaurants, malls, even small hotels and restaurants, food malls, and by some different type of handloom handicrafts of that area. Can make the shops there, like European countries in Switzerland, UK, USA. It is really amazing the way in which they develop. So definitely it's an integrated model, and by I feel that it's an opportunity for you. And I am the person who start PPP model road construction. Now I am making a road of 15 lakh crores in 2 years. I want to award it. So I'm going to always create the private public investment on that. So it can be possible. So from the MSME ministry also we will support you, and I will request you somewhere after this lockdown period, come to Delhi with your representation. We will arrange the meeting with our concerned officers, and I will try my level best to resolve your issue. Once again, I am giving my all best wishes to all of you. My gut feeling is this is an industry where the huge opportunities available, and this industry is going to create more employment potential. As a MSME ministry, I will assure you the bank support, incentives, low cost capital for this, and I will support this industry. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Nitin Gadkari ji, just want to highlight about the 8th June, if you can allow us to open the parks. So because we are ready with our SOPs, and it is very, very important.
You can ask. You can ask me 4 to 5 questions. I will spare the time for that.
Okay. And thank you so much for that. And one more question is that already we have, first time in India, we have made a religious theme park. So already in Shidi, so in your Maharashtra. So I think it is a lot of scope in the government and industry also. They can float that tender system, maybe on PPP model, also BOT model. So we can develop many theme park, religious theme park, like in Ayodhya, like in Uttarakhand also. So if you can allow us, we can give that submit to all details to you. And wherever you have said that.
Meet me once you meet me in Delhi. I will call Prahlad
Yes.
Patel, who is the Minister for Tourism, and we can make BOT model, and for religious, even in Badrinath, Kedarnath, Ayodhya, everywhere. We now the electronic is now developed, IT is developed. You can use the best technology by making this. Now I'm Nagpur. I'm making one of the, that is what name is that park?
Nathwada, maybe I think you are making something. Nathwada.
Yes.
Gorewada.
In Gorewada also we are making, but in Telankhedi also there will be a water screen will be there, light and sound show on water screen we are making. Then in Ambazari we are planning to making of light and sound show on Vivekanand. So you can make on Shariyu Tat on Ayodhya, the making of Ramayana there on water on the river of Sharayu. It can be attraction. But you take an idea, come to us, we will support you, and the state government and central government, because this is a subject in concurrent list. But we will find out a policy, transparent policy, and we can do it.
So I'm based in Delhi. I'll come and meet you as soon as possible. So I'll take the appointment and I'll come. Now I'll just put to Mr. Rajiv Jalnapurkar. He's our vice chairman. Few question answer are there from the members. So Mr. Rajiv Jalnapurkar, just over to you.
Nitinji, namaskar. This is Rajiv Jalnapurkar. Thank you so much for giving so much time and encouragement for the industry. There are only few questions. You have covered a lot of things which was shared with you earlier. The question was majorly to have this industry to have an industry status. As on now, we are always into commercial kind of operations at this time, sir. So, until we have an industry status, the opportunities what you're giving it under the title of industry, we are not able to avail it. And honestly, right now,
Are you registered under MSME?
I don't know, sir. Right now, in fact, we will promote that now.
So my suggestion is you come to Delhi. I will see that your problem will be resolved. I feel that, I'm not sure, but we can give that status. We will register you under MSME. because manufacture and service sector both are merged now. So there is no problem, and we will give that status, and you will get the benefits of MSME, all the benefits for your ventures.
Nitinji, main issue right now, what is happening that all these indoor parks and outdoor parks, the government is categorizing along with cinema, movie theaters. A lot of capital investments, infrastructure, and employment is being created by the park owners across. We have about 150 outdoor parks and 65 indoor. And until government allows us to open it, survival is going to be a big challenge. As Ajayji said that, we are lost about 70% of the revenue for this year. And my request is that please help us. We have created a foolproof kind of a SOPs. As you suggested that we have referred Disney, Universal Studio, and the worldwide, how the standard operating procedures they have used it. Similarly, the team was appointed with doctors and scientists to create a foolproof SOPs for it. So from all of us, this is a priority. If we want to survive, then only we will able to revive later. But humble request is that we'll require your guidance and support to reopen the parks indoor and outdoor. Sir.
Yes, yeah, I feel that it's a good idea. But my only problem is I don't know too much about all these things. But you come to Delhi in the presence of my officers and secretary.
Yes, sir.
We will discuss the issue and we will resolve it.
Yes. The point was, sir, that in next 1 year or probably the domestic tourism will be the priority, and we do have a couple of good manufacturers who are exporting to about 60 or 70 countries across the world as far as water park equipment, amusement park equipment. If the government can support for the domestic parks to utilize the rides and attractions and shows from the domestic manufacturers, it will be a great support for the industry where they can able to contribute.
The problem is that about the quality. Actually, it is with the customer or the person who want to start it.
Yes.
Which type of technology and the quality equipment you are going to supply is very important. I don't want to make any comments on it, but my honest feeling is there is a comparison between the equipment available in the European countries, particularly, and the USA, and particularly available in India. There is a vast difference. Now, this is the time that the black and white TV is a very cheaper rate available. But no one wants black and white TV. Everyone wants color TV. So now this is the time that all people are taking good cars. They want good, not luxurious car, but the cars with comforts. So somewhere the choice of the people is changed. So cost-centric approach is equally important, but the quality-centric approach is equally important. So somewhere you need to upgrade your technology. I feel that you can make joint ventures and you can make something which are to be extraordinary, outstanding. Definitely you will get response from the people. And Indian people, particularly in the religious area, now just to take the example of Shirdi, the number of people are coming. One airport is viable. Every day coming 30, 40 flights there. So somewhere you can take the advantage of this and you can make a lot of new arrangement, new things, where definitely people will give you good response. So my feeling is upgradation of technology, giving good quality, and not only cost centric, but quality centric, new innovation and research, which is very equally important. This is my feeling. Even in China, Japan, the things are changing, things are moving. And this is time for Indian economy that we should think in that direction. And we will support you after you coming to Delhi. And I know and I am confident the potential of this industry. So we will support you.
I have last question, sir, that a lot of manufacturers are supplying it to the government, and as the policy that 45 days the payment should come, that is a big challenge. That a lot of time it is getting delayed, and the small and medium size of the industries are really suffering on that. So, any guidance or any will you able to help us out to probably support this industry as particular?
My suggestion is our portal Samadhan is available. If you are not getting fund from any government department, central government undertaking or central government ministry, kindly put up on that Samadhan portal. At the same time, I already requested the state government chief minister about the dues pending of MSME to them, from particularly state government undertaking and state government ministries. I also request them to issue the payment within 45 days. So I requesting all, particularly the major industry also, to issue the payment for small scale industries. My suggestion is you register yourself on our Samadhan portal and give me the information. We will work on it and we will make some. Now we are in the process to find out some solution for that. But we will find out the solution and we will try our level best that how it can be possible for you to get your payment as early as possible. We have already resolved the issue of 40,000 crore. And my suggestion is you register first as a MSME, then come to us and we will resolve the issue.
Thank you very much, Nitinji. You know, it was such a wonderful talking to you and such an encouragement. We will certainly take an opportunity to come to you and request you to support the industry. So on behalf of Indian Amusement Park and Attraction Industry and Association, I thank you very much. Thank you so much, sir.
Sir, one small point, sir, on your MSME, you need to upgrade your portal, sir. On your portal, the forms are not upgraded. Hello.
Acha, which form?
Sir, for registration for MSME, जब इंटरनेट में रजिस्ट्रेशन होता है, सर उसमें the form is पुराना form. तो upgraded जो है, जो नई guidelines आपने issue करी हैं, we cannot register because they are not available. It's not been changed. तो please ये करवा दीजिए सर.
ये 1 जुलाई के बाद होगा वो. अभी ऑर्डर निकालने का है पर वो स्टार्ट होगा 1 जुलाई से.
तो till July we can't register.
Yes, क्योंकि वो सॉफ्टवेयर वगैरह सब एडजस्ट करना है. इट विल टेक टाइम और वो स्ट्रीमलाइन होगा. 1 जुलाई से शुरू हो जाएगा, तब रजिस्टर हो जाएगा.
अच्छा, समझ गए सर. दूसरी बात सर, जो हमारा प्रेसिडेंट साहब ने कहा, you know, to say that amusement park is not safer than a mall when we have 20 acres, 40 acres, 100 acres open air. So we are very safe. We are much safer than malls. So we should be allowed to open, sir. हम लोग के 2 लाख.
Yeah, I will take this issue. I understand that. You give me one representation. Probably you are facing problem with the state government or the central government circular.
No, with the central government, sir, because the central government has given guidelines where they have put us on par with the cinema industry, sir.
Yeah.
You give me, if you are ready to maintain the directions and the conditions given by the state government and central government for preventing coronavirus. On the basis of that, you apply to the Home Ministry, one copy, give it to me. I will try my level best to get you permission for that.
That's what we wanted, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kapil.